Welcome to MRC Workshops, a division of MRC Center. My name is Marco Rossi, and this is the introduction for MRC Genesis Workshop. Now, I want to give you some information about this workshop. This is a very exciting workshop. It's packed with information. It's very concentrated. It's a one-day workshop, and we're going to conduct it as many as time as possible, hopefully weekly, so that everyone has got a chance to attend. It's going to cost $990 per person for one day, includes lunch, and it starts at 9 o'clock. 8:30 is the registration, and then 9 o'clock we start the workshop. What's included in this workshop? This is amazing workshop. Why is it amazing? It's because all our business, all our workshops are brought into summary into this workshop for you to know about every individual workshop we conduct as a specialized 1 day or 3 days workshop. We brought it into here. Very rich in content. So 9 o'clock, the first topic is business startup. You'll notice that every one of these topics that I'm going to talk about in this workshop, it's got its own individual 1 day, possibly 3 days workshop, some even 5 days workshop, like Global Citizen. So you can understand now we're trying to cover 1 day or 3 days or 5 days workshop in 2-hour session. What's the purpose of this workshop? First of all, we want to make sure that you know at least some information about every one of them. Second, you get enough knowledge about each topic for 2 hours. Ask questions. It's an interactive workshop. And for you to be able to make a decision whether you want to proceed to an advanced workshop of a specific topic. This is the idea of Genesis. You may have a basis, a very advanced basis, coming from a background that this will polish your knowledge, and it may be enough. If not, then you'll be able to make your own decision and say, my passion, my line is in one of these topics, and there is a workshop for that topic. I'm going to register for that. At the end of the session or in future, you might decide to go to advanced level of that topic. That's the purpose of this workshop. But it gives enough information and knowledge and interactive workshop for you to be able to make that holistic decision. Now, first 2 hours, business startup. Under the business startup, we're going to cover the business mindset, psychology. We're going to cover effective business plan writing. What are the sections in that business plan? How far you have to focus on that, how important it is, and we will step by step go through it so you can write your own business plan. It doesn't matter whether you have already a business or you're going to start a new business. This business plan will apply to every business. Then we're going to talk about the structure, the corporate structure of business. How you set up your business to mitigate the risk, minimize the future tax, everything. We'll explain. I'll put my accounting hat and I'll talk about that. And finally, it will be talking about management, human resources, and how you control your business, how your vision and concept comes into practice as a business. That's the first 2 hours. Then the second 2 hours is about property development. This is a property development for mom and dads. It's unique. No one has talked about this. No one is offering in the market how to be done. You can do this business, a property development business, with a minimum capital, and you'll be able to build up a passive income very short period of time, like few years, and you could replace your full-time income, as well as you'll have a return on capital of up to 20% on residential rental income, which is amazing. That's the second 2 hours. Then we have e-commerce. The next 2 hours, this is after lunch. First 2 hours in the afternoon, we're going to talk about how you can set up your digital business. There are a lot of businesses out there that you could do from your laptop. And we will teach you step by step from the moment you register your name, domain name, to all the way how you monetize it and exit from it by selling it. It will go step by step. There are a lot of steps involved. I'll try to cover as much as possible within that 2 hours. This is a separate workshop if you want to continue as an advanced level. Then we have Global Citizen. Now, each one of these workshops have got introduction videos on the website. You can go and listen to a specific one. Global Citizen is one of the amazing concepts I've come up with. I want you to go and watch the video I've recorded for Global Citizen Workshop. I'm going to cover the last 2 hours about this, because this will not only show you a vision and implement that vision in reality, it will entail all these skill sets, and you will achieve your financial freedom and travel anywhere in the world through this Global Citizen Workshop. Now, go to the register button. It will take you to Eventbrite, and on the Eventbrite we've put all the sessions that are available, and the capacity of Genesis Workshop is only 20 people at a time. So we can't take more than 20 people. Not that we can't, it's more effective to have 20 people to have interaction, so that this is a real workshop. It's not a seminar to have 200 people in the session. First come, first serve. If the session is full, go to the following one. I'll try to conduct this weekly, so that every week we have this, and it's a full day. We finish 5 o'clock, and there'll be plenty of Q&A during each topic. You can ask your specific question, and there's a bonus at the end. And that bonus is that once you do this, at the end we will offer you 1 month MRC advisory subscription, which is worth $550 for unlimited advice to support you after you've gone through this. You'll get it for nothing. First month, $550, you don't have to pay it. You have to subscribe, obviously, but then you won't pay for the first month by attending this session, this workshop. And then I'll be able to advise you and hold your hand if you want to start any segment of this, or go to another workshop, and we're more than happy to help you. Now, if you want to know how MRC advisory mentoring works, go to MRC advisory button, takes you to the website. There is an introduction video, explains how we do it. It's a unique method, and it's unbelievable. We have introduced it. I think it's unique. No one has done the method we are doing it. I hope this introduction video for MRC Genesis is effective and informative. Hopefully I'll see you at the session in the workshop. See you there.